Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hi. So you want to know more about things to do inside while a blizzard rages? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about things to do inside while a blizzard rages is www.lists-galore.com. Specifically the page titled Lists Galore. 150 Things to Do When You're Bored. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site tinybuddha.com, especially the page 20 Things to Do When You're Feeling Angry with Someone. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.toronto.com. The web page Toronto Events What to Do in Toronto Things to Do Toronto. Here's the link.